So today we've been a part of something really cool where we are working on a project to restore greenland mussels in Te Tauihu in the top of the South Island in partnership with many organizations, including the Marine Farming Association.
A little bit different than our normal day-to-day stuff, so quite exciting doing a mussel deployment, so it's all a bit new for us.
We went to Pohara this morning and the mussel farmers there brought us out on their boat, the Aristocat.
Clearwater mussels had gone above and beyond today and collected 4 tons of mussels that were deployed onto the seabed.
Adding more mussels here and getting these beds back up to like it was is great. And whether it's for spat or whether it's for someone wants to come and grab mussels off the beach like they used to, then it's great for everybody.
So we're so grateful for all the farmers and everyone that's been so involved in making this happen today as well.